Wisconsin. I'm Jim Craig with Z103 News. Breaking news. Many parents across the nation have questioned the judgment of Not a Good Mom. She's been rocking her baby in a treetop for nearly 20 years. After last night, some folks say Not a Good Mom's has gone too far with her, quote, baby. Live at the scene is Z103's Bob Sear. Bob?
Yes, we are live here in Sleepy Hollow, Wisconsin, with Not a Good Mom. Nada, you've been rocking your baby in a treetop for nearly 20 years. As you know, many folks find this bedtime routine not only unsafe, but also a little weird. There's a line in your song, "Down will come baby, cradle and all." Well, this time, baby took the whole tree down. Has this gone too far? Some are calling this bedtime bedlam. Baby, what do you think? But don't you think you've outgrown this whole rockabye baby thing? I mean, you have a beard and a mustache, and you are drinking coffee. I don't care. I like it. There you have it, folks. Now back to the studio.